This 2026 East to West Ahara 383er is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 64 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.